Hi, I'm Sanghamitra. I work as a Scrum Master. I work with the agile transformation of teams. So, as a part of my job as a Scrum Master, I was working with a lot of product owners, and we were looking for ways to bring in more product knowledge in the teams. And that is what led to a curiosity in me to understand better about this, which led me to join this course. Among all of the various courses for product management that I was looking through, Institute of Product Leadership came with the course structure, which was very practical, very real-world application-based, and the whole concept of having module-wise capstone projects, which would help me apply what I was learning theoretically, was very appealing. The project work that we work on every module, and this gives me a chance to work with the others in the team. It gives me a chance to connect, network, look into aspects that I would have otherwise ignored. Like the last module that we went through in terms of product strategy, the positive feedback we got based on the project work we presented, which helped us apply the concepts better. Even if you're not working today as product managers, it helps us apply it in the roles that we're working on, and the mindset is very helpful.